Personally speaking, I would rather follow the Ten Commandments that Moses received at Sinai.
These new green commandments are taking over the world now, and world leaders have signed fraternal documents that they are in full commitment of the Laudato Si caravan. But some commented they removed. Can you see the great controversy in this picture? The Ten Commandments of God is inside the Ark of the Covenant, and above it is the mercy seat, and covering cherubs stretching their wings, protecting what's inside the Ark of the Covenant, which is the Ten Commandments. Ezekiel 28 verse 14 says that Lucifer is described as a covering cherub. Lucifer's original job in heaven is to defend and protect the law of God. But pride entered his heart and now wants to change the law of God for him to be worshipped. Isaiah 14 verse 14, I will be like the Most High. John the Revelator saw that the Ten Commandments is abiding even in heaven. Revelation 11:19. Then God's temple in heaven was open, and within this temple was seen the ark of his covenant. But the Antichrist will change and will bring confusion and place the world in rebellion against the Ten Commandments of God. Climate change is just a decoy, a front. The goal of the papacy is to gradually abandon the Bible, cancel the teachings of Christ, and introduce a new religion, one world religion. With the Pope's announcement of one world worship comes new laws to be enforced, conditioning the world and accepting the mark of the beast. Do you remember? Pope Francis released a sweeping statement about the environment, calling for cultural revolution to change the way we live. From our addiction to technology to our treatment of the poor. The document is very long, 184 pages in English, but here is the 10 commandments, green commandments, to be urgently prioritized by the world. If not, we will not survive this climate global crisis. The 10 Green Commandments of Laudato Si. Green Commandment number 1. Take care of our common home in peril. Green Commandment number 2. Listen to the cry of the poor. Green Commandment number 3. Rediscover a theological vision of the natural world. Green Commandment number 4. Recognize that the abuse of creation is ecological sin. Green Commandment number 5. Acknowledge the human roots of the crisis of our common home. Green Commandment number 6. Develop an integral ecology. Green Commandment number 7. Learn a new way of dwelling in our common home. Green Commandment number 8. Educate towards ecological citizenship. Green Commandment number 9. Embrace an ecological spirituality. Green Commandment number 10. Cultivate ecological virtues.
Personally speaking, I would rather follow the Ten Commandments that Moses received at Sinai.
These new green commandments are taking over the world now, and world leaders have signed fraternal documents that they are in full commitment of the Laudato Si caravan. But some commented they removed God from this. I don't know how they don't have the fear of God in them. Whoever was involved in this green 10 commandments, this is immediately a red flag in these last days. It's just evil. Another commented, Satan can only imitate the one and only true God. That's all this is. An imitation and should be recognized as such. This is blasphemy and should be called out as such. There will only be one 10 commandments. Make me sad and angry at the same time. The little horn Antichrist will change times in the law. Daniel 7 verse 25. There is only one commandment that deals with time, and it's the Sabbath, that starts with the word remember. And to eliminate the fourth commandment, Satan must eliminate all the 10. LifeSiteNews.com says, Watch Pope accuses Christians of cowardliness for over-focus on following all 10 commandments. Pope Francis accuses Christians concerned with obeying all the commandments of being confined souls.
Formally at the Casa Santa Marta, Pope Francis explained what paralyzes Christians.